Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nong Mansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajialang nyoka kanhun menteri kebelalong hakan reuterek mentau benaya yong arajar arpo. Kalarai bansha no ikinong rap ban net rap liriang. Henry kidairu ban buat renti pat ya kejing perkheng. Jong ke sorkar lani kejing peta dekat nat kekot kekia. Ban kiar na kejing ilom sijaka ban nyajngai iwe na iwe pat kumbalai pot tam bat kiwe kejing peta ban nyada na uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Nalor karap karyang kakanhun menteri hakan igasngi kalarai ru ba onsha ikinong trei NREGA ne kinong trei hispasngi. Ban trei hakisnong nong kendong da kaba bot renti ru ya kijing peta jong sorkar ban nyajngai iwe na iwe ban om yalom bun beriau sijaka bat kiwe kijing peta. Nalor kane ka sorkar kalamang ru bat pelat ya kapisa Sheki Block Development Officer kapisa kabakot Sanspa lai pusau point sausan nyau lai klor tingka ban sio bai bela bat ki baitar haga pentrei ki kampenroi. Kajialang jong kanhun menteri kebelasong kerki akan reuterek moto benaya yong arajar arpo. Hadin balai tai saniba na kabenta ban pensuk ikipat ba hakitai nong kendong ban yok thiet iki marba mardi. Kalarai ban sya no ban play iki yo hakitai nong kendong ki yo ki baju penlong sisin citayo. Ka sorkar kelakan turu ikipat ba bakin longpat ki bahusiar bat borenti ya kejing peta jong ketnat ka kwat kekia ban om yajan hapedeng uwei ni ka weipan ban nyada na kejing sapriang uknyang jingpang COVID-19.
This month is the sowing period for the farmers. We have decided that in the rural area, farmers can start sowing activities immediately. But protocols has to be maintained as prescribed from time to time by the health department. EGA is also allowed to resume their activities in the respective villages. And I would also like to inform you that the wages and the material components to the tune of rupees 534, I repeat, 534.6573 crores has an amount of rupees 534.4573 crores has been sanctioned and released to the respective BDOs for payment of wages and also clearing the materials bill.